The game uses a colorful 2D platform with a theme of candy-style platform and a simple color blue background to make the game look bright and fun. The player controls the character to jump across the platform to collect the apple while avoiding the snake. At the start of the game, the score is set to 0 and the timer starts at 30 seconds. The timer decreases every seconds and shown in the screen. Every time the character collect the apple, the score increases by 1. That 1 second is added to the timer as a reward. And the goal of this game is to collect many apple as possible. And there are two ways the game can end. Yes. First, if the player touch or hit the snake, the game ends immediately. Second, if the timer reaches to 0, the game is also end. Overall, the game challenges the player to collect the apple quickly, avoid snake, and survive as long as possible to get the highest score.